Okay, so you tell me what the time is.
So,
Yeah.
2.
That's not a 2. Nearly.
3.
No, look, stop guessing, okay? Stop guessing and look at it. Take your time and tell me what time is.
Let me write it.
What number's at the front? What number's this? Look.
What goes that way, that way, that way?
Just tell me what number it is. Come on, stop being a donkey. Go on, have another
4.
guess. Have another guess.
5.
Yes, it's 5. ... Yep.
6.
It's not a 6, is it? What number did it look like?
9.
Oh my god. Have you been drinking again?
No.
That's normally what Daddy says.
9.
It's 9. I thought it was only 9 o'clock. Sorry, I'm late.
9.
It's 5:42.
5:42.
But this clock is an hour slow. So, what comes after 5?
2.
Ted, please. Stop being silly. Look. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4.
4, 5.
What's after 5?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Right, it's 6:42 p.m. All right, why don't you go back to the pub? Go on, clear off.